Step number 1, let me show you how you can make awesome content like this website, Spend with Pennies. They make $1 million to $5 million per month. This is 25 cents for every visitor that comes to their website. This revenue is just from AdSense, approximate of course, but from AdSense alone, like running advertisements on their website. They make much more money from affiliate marketing and brand deals. Wait, did I just say website and awesome content? Yes, and before you say it's hard work, let me show you how you can do it with 2 steps in just 3 minutes using my software Maven. You can get Maven from the link in the description. Now let me show you how Maven works. Welcome to Maven app and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor tags, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Maven access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it. Now before I show you how they get 10 million visitors a month to this awesome website and their awesome content and how you can follow the same strategies as them and get similar results. I'm not saying you'll make millions of dollars overnight, but I'm saying you will be on the right track to get there. Step number 2, go to similarweb.com and paste the link of the website. Here you will see everything you need to see about a website, any website. We are looking at spend with pennies analytics. So yes, of course, you see they get 10 million visitors a month, which is super awesome. But you see most of their traffic, their visitors come from search engines. Search engine ranking is not easy. It's difficult as it takes a lot of time and effort to rank high. And I don't want you to wait for years to start making money. We can control search engine results, but their second most traffic comes from social media. That's why I'm going to show you how to get traffic from social media sites like Facebook, Quora, and Pinterest. Oh yeah, good news. Their traffic comes from Facebook and Pinterest. So we will see how they get this much traffic from social media and you can apply the same techniques to your website or blog. I will show you how you can get social media traffic for free starting today. So 60% of their traffic comes from Facebook and 30% from Pinterest. How do they get this amount of traffic from Facebook and Pinterest? Step number 3, let's go to their website and reverse engineer how they do it and how we can do it too. Before we go to step number 3, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and your social media contacts. This way, not only you will learn how to make money online, but your friends and family and social media contacts will also learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way. And everybody is getting access to my software for free. Link in the description. And we will be inspired to make more videos like this when you introduce more viewers to us. And you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Alright, moving forward. We must appreciate the quality of the content. This content is incredible. The page's layout is awesome. And look at the images, high quality. This kind of content inspires visitors to share on social media platforms. This is a secret to get free traffic from social media. Let's go deeper. When you open any recipe from this website, you see in the beginning, they ask you to pin it. When you pin a content, it stays in your Pinterest account and you can get to this recipe whenever you need it. Pinning a recipe or any content on Pinterest is like bookmark. They have also made sharing easy for their visitors by providing social media share buttons at the side of each recipe. It is visible and easily accessible. When they get social media shares, they get good social ranking, and ultimately it helps them boost their content on search engines as well. This means Spend with Pennies don't need to put extra effort to get search engine ranking. Their social media shares help them get there. The secret here is quality content. Awesome content helps you get social shares, and good social ranking helps you with search engine rank. Step number 4, go to Ubersuggest. In the traffic section, click top pages by traffic. Put the website URL here and click search, and you will get all the results of how many visitors they are getting for which content or which page. By the way, you can use the freemium version of Ubersuggest to do some analysis, but you would need to have a premium version for in-depth analysis. As you see here, I have a premium version, so I'm doing it. But don't worry, I will put the analysis results in the description so you can use it without getting their premium paid subscription. So stay till the end of the video to know how you can use this data to your advantage. Alright, let's go to an example. Chili recipe, the best chili recipe. This is the content that gets the maximum traffic. And when we came to keyword overview section, we see chili recipe has 673 monthly searches on Google, which means 673,000 people search with the key phrase chili recipe every single month on Google. And you see other keywords as well. Don't worry, I will download all of them and put it in the description. You can get them from the description to use them, and the other content ideas as well. I'm going to download all of them and put the link in the description. Now again, when people visitors find their recipe on Google, they find their content awesome, as you know, and they share that content in social media. So end result, they make all this $1 to $5 million because they have created awesome content. Now, if we want to make money with a website, we need to create the content that people are looking for. Of course, I know your problem, Mosh, how can I create content like? The answer is Maven. You can start with Maven. You know that already. Get Maven from the link in the description. So the content part will be handled by my AI software Maven. In fact, every technical hassle is taken care of in our application. You can get it from the link in the description. Go get it. Now, step number 5. Now, start your traffic engine. Now you have a website. I understand. I will consider you got Maven and you have a website with awesome content that people will love to share on social media. But how will you get initial traffic? People will share your content once they learn about, once they know that you have a website. So for initial traffic to your blog or website, let's do some manual input. It will take a few minutes of your time, but it's well worth it. To make money like Spend with Penny does. Spend with Pennies is a company, is a big company, and they have big teams, so they make $1 million to $5 million. But for us, we will start small. We will need to put in some tiny extra effort to get the snowball rolling. So first go to Quora and search with the keyword, your keyword. Now in this case, we're using chili recipe, and you will see a lot of people asked questions about chili recipe. This is perfect opportunity to answer those questions and get free eyeballs. Look at this question. This post or question has got 3.3 30,000 views. Not much comment. I mean, no comments at all. You comment first. Whatever they said, answer with a link to your website. But in case you don't have the rights to post a link yet on Quora, don't worry. When you create your account, make sure you add your link or your website URL just right here, like this person and here. Okay, moving on. Let's look at another question. This one got 564 views. Another one got 135 views, 206 views. Now, if you're thinking these are very small numbers, maybe this content, this particular topic is not hot on Quora, but there are so many other topics that are hot on Quora. Look at this one. This one has got 59,000 upvote and got total 5.9 million views so far. There are 367 replies, and those replies got 700 upvote, 18 upvote. All these upvotes are people who liked the content and clicked like or upvote, right? So you can imagine what kind of free traffic people are getting from. So you can start rolling your snowball from Quora. Another solution is website like Facebook. You see, search with chili recipe and you'll find a lot of content. Look at this video. This video has got 6.2 million views. Open the video and there are 2,154 comments. Now, I don't want you to comment with your website link because this looks spammy and chances are these guys will delete your comment. So the most legitimate way to get traffic from Facebook is first share your content on your timeline and then come back to these contents, these heavy traffic contents, and share awesome value. Maybe you share your own recipe, and a lot of people who commented here, who engaged with this post, they will get notified by Facebook and they will look at your comment, they will love your comment, they will look at your timeline, and they will visit your website. And a lot of you will sign up to your mailing list. Oh, by the way, in case you are not building a list, please use my software link in the description. That software turns any PDF into your opt-in page. You don't need an opt-in page. It turns any PDF, the same PDF, as a lead magnet. So one single PDF can become your lead magnet, your opt-in page, and solve your list building or lead generation problem completely. So go ahead, get this software. It's free from the description. But this is how you get traffic. Super simple. Now, how to make money? That's the simplest part. Use your affiliate link to make affiliate commissions from your content and run ads, either AdSense ad or other people's ad on your website and get paid for the ads. Build lists and promote offers to your subscribers and you'll make money. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way. We will be super pumped, super inspired, and we will make more and more videos. If you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you're helping others learn how to make money online, and you're getting free access to my softwares, and you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.